Fujian Jinghui Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of evaporative air cooler in Fujian. It manufactures and markets a whole range of evaporative air coolers, from small portable coolers to big volume industry coolers, standard installed units, window-mounted units, solar-powered DC coolers, and special industry use coolers. All the coolers are marketed carrying JHCOOL brand to both China and overseas market. Our company was founded in 2006 with only 10 workers. After 12 years rapid development, the company now hires over 90 workers, producing more than 4 containers coolers per day. At this stage, the company owns 2 factories. One factory takes 7,700 square meters area, producing evaporative coolers and heaters. Besides, the government has appropriated another 40,000 square meters land to build a new producing plant. Under the supervision of ISO 9001-2015 approved management, using reliable raw materials, JHCOOL evaporative coolers have been widely approved by many countries and third party, like CE. JHCOOL evaporative coolers are well known for high performance, less electricity consumption, easy maintenance, smooth performance and durability. Our company begins to manufacture electric heaters from 2011 with professional electric and infrared radiant heating engineers team. Fujian Jinghui Technology Company Limited has designed various types of infrared radiant heaters and convectors heaters for factory, hospital, supermarket, restaurant, office building. In the market, JH brand heater has gained well approval from market with CE certificates. Looking forward to your cooperation. Thank you.